What's up, YouTube? Back here again with another video. Let's pick up where we left off. We were working on the 3-pedal setup. Let's go over there and show you what needs to be done. Open up the workshop here, and here we are. Let's go ahead and clear up this table. Cool, table cleared off. So this is where we left off at. Honestly, we made this amazing looking throttle cable thingy and mounted all of our master cylinders to our pedal box, and this is where we left off. So now it's actually time to put this in the car. So first we're going to have to make a mountain bracket, like a mountain base kind of thing for this thing, so reasons like that doesn't happen, and it'll be easy to maneuver up in and around the car. So let's grab a scrap piece of aluminum, try and see one that's big enough, and let's get this to work. Alright, so now that we have the pedals in a position where it's right about perfect, I'm gonna go ahead, cut some tabs, and then bring them to Ray so he can finish the job. Alright, so we decided to throw the steering wheel in here just to get some nice, some real word kind of fitment. Honestly, I think it's perfect right here. Only bad thing is I believe I would need like I guess like a 2-inch spacer for my steering wheel. I actually saw it in an actual track car, and the steering wheel is actually closer to you. Kind of want your elbows to be bent anyway, so this would be perfect. And it'll give me the space to, heel toe and whatnot. But right now, pedals are in a perfect position. So let's go ahead and lock these in. Oh, wait. Oh, what is that? This is amazing. Whose t-shirt is this? That's right, guys. 944 Evo t-shirts are up on the website. One and only on systematic.co. Come in all different sizes and about 6 different colors. Black, red, blue, you name it. So every t-shirt purchase, funds go directly straight into this car. So enough playing around. Let's get to the video. All right, guys. Got the steering wheel here. Pedals are nicely in, and I am loving this. This feels so nice. Holy crap. I can get all of them. It's gonna be a little hard to heel toe. I guess it's like the placement of where this gas pedal is. It's like a little hard. It's gonna be interesting. Braking, blip, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. But honestly, this is nice. If anything, just like I said earlier in the video, I'll get me like a little like 2-inch spacer, so that steering wheel is like closer to me, so my arms are more bent and my knees are behind the wheel. But honestly, just to drive around town and, you know, occasional track days, this wouldn't be too bad. Wouldn't be too bad to get used to. Yes, I just took out both back pads. Basically, I'm actually surprised. I actually forgot that I installed heated pads in the seat. I really wanted to daily drive this once upon a time ago, but race car decided to take over. So this is about like an inch back, probably like an inch and a half back. My back firmly against the wall, and this is so much better. So again, spacer, but definitely I'm gonna have to move my seat back and then maybe angle it up a bit more, make it more comfortable for me. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and remove this chair and move it probably about an inch back. Alright, so a long time ago, I welded these brackets in. Never knew that it'll actually come back to bite me in my ass. So, as you can see, I just marked them. And then I need to move the chair about an inch and a half back. So, being that these are marked, I'm going to go ahead and drill in my holes. After that, you can see they have, let me show you. You can see they have like these slots here. So I'm gonna try and slice one of these slots open so I can get a nice fat bolt through here, while meanwhile simultaneously sliding it like an inch back. These are the nuts and bolts of choice. You can see these things are very, very OP. I want to decide to use something like, you know, the biggest bolts I have in my arsenal, because what else I'm going to use them for? Safety first. And I can tell this bolt won't ever, you know, break under stress or whatever. These are actually suspension bolts off of Camaro. You see the rims over there. Not Mike's Camaro, but a Camaro. And yeah, suspension bolts are super OP for seat bolts. So we're going to use these. So let's go ahead and bust these welds and move the brackets an inch back to this. try this out now. Should be a lot better. Wow, it already feels a lot farther. Oh yeah, so much better. So much better. Again, 2-inch spacer would be nice, but so much better. I feel so much farther back into the car. Nice. All right guys, next day here. We have this 3-inch spacer. Hopefully this should do the trick. So I'm just gonna go ahead, unbolt it and install it on the hub itself. I was thinking about installing it on the steering wheel, but then the whole quick release mechanism would be so far to release the steering wheel. So I'm just gonna knock it out on this. Boom. All right. Looks a little weird, but I guess nothing I can't really get used to, you know, other than making a custom rack. So this shouldn't be too bad. Damn, this thing is like way up in my face now. Arms perfectly arched. Yeah, look at that. I have space on my knees now. Let's get fully into this race car. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. I can heel toe easy now. Apply brakes, blip, blip, blip. Cool. So, this is definitely a cool mod. Definitely a cool mod. Definitely interesting look. But yeah, fun fact, now every wheel on this car has a spacer. Sheesh. Alright guys, gonna end it off here. We're gonna head on over to unsystematic.co. Get all your Unsystematic needs situated. Forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Don't forget, never stop modifying.